Welcome back. Sorry it took so long for me to make another video. You know, I've just been busy doing life stuff. Damn fly. Get out of my car! Anyway, I went to a swap meet this morning and ended up picking myself up a 2015, stupid, Camaro LE, 1LE, I believe, with the, I think the dudes had an LS3 and a 6-speed manual. So I ended up scooping up the center console for $20, which is a hell of a deal. And I ended up swapping it into my 4th Gen Camaro. And I'm going to show y'all how I did it. Alright, don't mind the mess this car has been through some shit. But anyway, the side pieces, you don't really have to cut the driver's side at all. The only thing I did end up cutting was the top here. I just took the whole arch off like right before it starts to curve up. And it fits pretty flush. I mean, yeah, it's gross. And then I am also missing the plastics for the boot, and then the little cubby hole up there, which I'll order eventually, and the cover for back here. But basically, I cut those two sides. And you do have to cut the bottom plastic on this side right here on the passenger side. So you'll get this little gap, but nobody cares about that when you're hauling ass, you're not looking down. And then the only other spot you have to cut is right here, so you can clear your e-brake, which mine still hits a little bit. Not really too worried about it. It still goes up and does its job. And then for inside the cup holder, I was able to reuse the factory holes. I just had to get a longer screw. And I kind of notched the hole out a little bit back here. That way you don't get a lot of wiggle, and I can still bolt it down over here if I wanted to. I'm just being lazy right now and don't feel like doing it. I mean, that's honestly all it really takes. The one thing that you do have to consider though, it's underneath this section right here in these cup holders. It's actually right here. You have an airbag module, which if I can find it down here, looks like this. You're gonna have to delete that or figure out another place to relocate it, because it will not allow the center console to sit down in the location that it should. It's gonna sit up way high. You're gonna have a huge gap between your mounting bracket and the bottom of your center console. And then at that point, you're prone to cracking everything. So something to consider. I'm gonna delete mine because I'm going full race car in mine anyway. So, I mean, who needs airbags? We're gonna Dale Earnhardt it here. But yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to swap your 2010 and up center console into a 4th Gen Camaro. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. We'll make videos more frequently, hopefully, and I'll see you on the next one.